mission is to essentially professionalize and normalize cannabis.
Cresco is a multi-state operator that's vertically integrated.
From the actual seed to the sale, we've been trying to capture all of that and help other groups aggregate that as well.
As part of our mission is we want to be the most important cannabis company in the world. And in order to do that, we really need to leverage data to its maximum value and utility.
Whenever you go into our sort of dispensary, regardless of the state, you know what sort of product you're going to get. It's reliable, it's consistent, and it's good quality.
There's a lot of variables when it comes to growing plants. That's something we'd really like to optimize and kind of set the industry standard for how we take care of our plants, and utilizing data at that granular level is the key component to this.
So prior to getting Zuar involved in terms of our data management and data visualization, we were really living in a world primarily of Excel sheets.
A lot of the troubles that we faced were about just getting all the data together, clean and aggregated, just not having enough resources or enough expertise to really get what we needed to do the analytical side of the work.
We did have a very aggressive timeline, really pushed by our Chief Information Officer. We were challenged to do a project in approximately 6 to 7 weeks in what would typically take maybe 12 to 18 weeks.
We were not expecting how short of a timeline it was, and I think the ask was much larger than we had previously understood.
With expectations changing very frequently, it was a little nerve-wracking.
It was basically me as a sole Tableau user at the time. Zuar came along, we met them through Tableau, which was great.
It was a perfect fit of having a cannabis experience. It was being aware of all the problems that we were facing and understanding what scalable and feasible solutions look like.
And through the use of some of Zuar's services, such as their Mito platform, we were able to bring everything together in one place. Mito has filled a gap that we had in terms of our data management platform, getting information from our computer or desktops into our data warehouse. While it may seem simple, it's driven by a wide variety of file formats and structures. It was a very cumbersome process previously.
I had heard about Mito and sort of had understand, okay, I could use this to schedule some things in Snowflake. I could use this to start uploading files. I had maybe 1 to 2 hours on the given day worth of work. The day I started with Mito, it maybe saved me a half an hour. Then it saved me 2 hours every day within the first week.
What excites me about using Mito is kind of the ability to kind of have 15, 20 scripts running from this BioTrack database and be able to have clean data sets that everybody can use on a daily basis. It's not really possible unless you got 4 analysts going out querying all day and uploading stuff. When you do it in Mito, it's able to be automated and reproducible.
I really do think that we have a cannabis industry leading business intelligence platform. The use of Tableau in harnessing all of our state compliance data, harnessing our internal collected data, our wholesale data, our retail data. Again, I really think that it enables us to answer questions much faster. I think it enables us to get into the why much faster. We're able to double click to really understand what's driving this or what's driving that.
In cultivation, we have a lot of values that we want to see across the same dimensions. So we want to see a dry weight per plant, wet weight per plant, total dry weight, total wet weight, dry weight of just the premium flower, dry weight of just the extracts, right? And so one thing that was really beneficial in Tableau versus Domos or others is I could create one set of charts and then just a simple toggle to go between all those values. We wanted to use the best. We wanted to go with the BI platform that had the greatest potential. So even if we only had to solve X, Y, and Z problems today, we wanted to choose something that has technology for us to solve problems in the future.
When I think about other companies that are in need of services within the data and analytics space, particularly if they need any sort of category expertise such as cannabis, I do think Zuar is a leader in the space. They have just years of experience, both in terms of business intelligence platforms, data visualization softwares, being able to answer business questions with data, and knowing how to marry it all together to drive the most efficient outcomes.